do you do per day?
A bunch.
You make quite a bit of money.
I make a little bit of money.
A little bit?
I make a little bit. I'm not getting rich.
I see 10 or 20.
Maybe.
Then 45, that's...
It's not that much.
No, it's a lot more than I make.
No.
Hours.
No, come on now.
So, no, I'm serious.
You make way more money than I make.
No, I know. What makes you think that?
Well, look what you drive compared to me.
This is at work, and you would have a Mercedes in your
That's only a $10,000 bike.
Or you got another car in your garage.
I don't own a car. I only ride a motorcycle.
Well, that's pretty sweet. I want that too.
You want a motorcycle?
Well, I'm too short for it.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't think I can.
Of course you can. They make small bikes.
My scooter?
No. They make motorcycles that sit low enough you could ride it.
Oh, I won't. No,
How tall are you?
5'1" maybe.
5'1". I knew a gal that was 4'6" and she rode a motorcycle. 4'6". Alright guys, we got a good one here on this Toyota. We're going to fix it for this lovely young lady. How long has that chip been in the windshield?
I did not see it yesterday.
So it was only a day or two?
Until my son borrowed it this morning.
Your son borrowed the car this morning and came home with a rock chip?
He didn't even notice. I didn't even notice when I talked to you. Before I talked to you, I looked at a stop sign. I'm like, what is it in that corner?
Right? How do you not hear it hit the windshield?
I asked him, and he said, what, Mom, are you expecting me to predict when the rock is going to hit? And you need to watch it? I'm like, well, if you didn't borrow my car.
Well, you know, the thing is, a lot of times these young people will crank up the radio so loud, or they got their ear pods in or whatever, and they don't hear it when a rock hits the windshield.
I hate it when
Right?
and then there it is, the big old chips on your windshield.
Yeah, it happens.
And
But
it ran away. You couldn't even catch that driver.
well, that's because they don't know that
They don't know, I know.
they don't know a rock came out of their tire, or the rock bounced up and hit your windshield, or they're just driving.
I know, they just passed by you, and there you go, you gotta pay for the whole windshield.
That happens. That's the dangers of driving.
Where do you live, sir?
Huh?
Where do you live?
I live in Kearns.
Kurt?
Yeah, so I'm right down the road. But I'm all over town. I just came from North Salt Lake, all the way up by Bountiful. I just got done doing a job up there, and then had to come all the way down here.
Oh, it's a good job. I was thinking about it outside the whole time, and maybe I want to do something different.
Yeah? You got to have really good feeling in your fingers to be able to feel the amount of pressure you're putting on the tool.
What do you put in there?
Glass resin. Specially formulated to bond to glass, so that it bonds all the glass together and keeps it from cracking out, and it dries as hard as glass when it cures. So a lot of people will say, well, resin hardens harder than glass, but it doesn't. It hardens as hard as glass because it still needs to remain flexible so that it can expand and contract with the glass.
Right.
If it dried harder than glass, then the problem would be that the glass would want to expand around it, and you would end up having a break around the part that's not expanding. So no, it hardens as hard as glass. It just doesn't, and it stays clear, you know. So you'll see a little white spot when I'm done, but that's where all the glass was missing from the surface. But you can see in the mirror. That's why I put a mirror in there, because obviously I can't see through the tool, but if you look in the mirror, you can see that chip is filled. See? That chip is pretty much all filled in.
I cannot see.
Can't see the chip?
I don't know what I'm looking at.
Look at the white spot in the mirror right there. See the white thing? That's where the chip was.
The white thing?
Yeah, that.
Oh, this thing right here?
Yeah,
Okay.
but you see it in the mirror?
No. I just see the reflection of
Yeah,
that thing.
the reflection.
Okay.
So the chip was all the way around that white thing, and now it's all filled in.
So you must be really smart to figure this business out.
Well, I don't know if it's intelligent or not, but it just took a little time to get to where I could do really good repairs for people.
I used to drive through that, what is it, the one who's off Denver and, was it 6,400 pounds?
Oh,
It cost like $20, like,
yeah, that was
did they even say rock chip repair?
that was a few years ago. It was $20. They've gotten a lot more expensive since then. Ever since the pandemic, prices have just gotten crazy, and they've just kept them crazy.
Well, the problem is workplace. Like me, who's our workers, we don't get raised because of crazy. So
Right.
they don't give us raise at all.
Well, that's why I try to keep my prices low, you know.
This is good. I mean, like 20 of each site, 20 each site, not 20, but 20, I don't know what you call it, 20 repairs per day, maybe?
No,
No?
No.
More than that?
no less.
Oh. But this is what you like to do, right?
Yeah, I love doing it.
See, does make a whole lot of difference.
It makes life better when you enjoy what you're doing.
Exactly. It doesn't give you stress or, you know, emotional, mental things, but you do what you like.
Yeah.
And it makes good money to me.
Yep, I really enjoy it. Of course, I enjoy playing the guitar too, and I don't make any money doing that. I don't make any money playing my guitar.
No, that's a hobby. Different.
Well, other people make money playing their guitars.
You can join the band.
I'm not that good.
Oh,
But I have fun.
that's good.
That's what counts. I have fun playing my guitar, and that's what matters to me. Just like I have fun doing windshield chips. I really enjoy my job.
That's good. It's not easy.
Well, you know, when I started this business, I love riding my motorcycle.
Right.
So I used to be an arborist. I used to climb trees for a living. So I used to climb, trim, cut them down, whatever, right? So any tree, like that tree back there, if they needed it cut down, I was the guy.
Right.
I would cut that tree down and haul it all off, and,
Right.
you know, and I did that for 32 years.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. And I rarely got to ride my motorcycle. So when I started this company, I wanted to start a company that I could use my motorcycle for the business.
Right.
And that's what got me going on this, because I can carry all my tools in my little pouches. I can ride my motorcycle every day, and I absolutely love doing the repairs.
Well, this year is kind of mild in the winter time, so the weather is on the side.
I still ride.
In the winter? I mean, in the snow?
Well, if there's no snow on the roads, I'll ride. But I don't care how cold it gets. As long as the roads are clear, I'll still ride. No, I don't drive. I don't have a vehicle. I ride all year round.
You refuse to have one?
Yep. Don't need one. I got a motorcycle. I don't need a car. I got a motorcycle.
Or is it the same stuff that Constitution says, right?
Hmm?
Or it's the same thing.
Say again?
I say it's the same thing as the car.
Well, it's not, because in a car you're in a cage.
Oh, even better.
See, in a car, you're in a cage. You've got bars all around you. Everywhere you look, there's bars. You're basically in a cage. Now you just smeared it with your finger.
I'm sorry. Why is that thing still there?
So that little white spot,
Yeah.
that's where all the glass was missing from the surface, but now it's smooth with the rest of the glass. Go ahead. That was another little hole that got filled in. So anytime you get a chip in your windshield, however much glass is missing,
Right.
that's the white spot.
The resin,
That's where I had to scrape the resin level with the glass. So now, because it's level with the rest of the glass, when your windshield wipers go over it, it won't tear up your windshield wiper. See? So now it just looks like a bug splatter.
Okay, I need to go get my checkbook.
Okay. Alright guys, that was a gnarly little chip on a Toyota. If you enjoyed the video, give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, share the video, and throw me some love. And I will see you in the next one. This customer is going to write me a check. I don't normally take checks, but we'll see if it clears.